Hello everybody, today I will introduce you the Post Replies with Setting ID feature. This feature allows you to set up separate responses to each post based on the ID. To set up this feature, log into Kaojao and then choose the Manage Page and Auto Response System option. Now choose the account you would like to set up this feature for and then click on Manage. Go to Auto Reply section and click on Post Replies. Switch this drop-down menu to the search by post ID. And then comment post ID on the post from your personal account. Post ID. And the page will send the post ID into your inbox. After that, you copy the post ID and then you paste it on here and then click Save. And the system will show the specific post that you add the ID for, and then click on Turn on Specific Post Reply. Now you can specify responses to comments and direct comments to their inbox, or even specify the responses based on the keywords. When a customer comments on that post, the system will automatically reply with the message that you have set. For example, I will turn on the comment reply